Kim Vogel with Keller Williams Realty and the Evelo Team. Welcome to my newest listing at 4160 Cairo Way in Avon, Indiana. Come take a tour with me.
Located in Grant Park at Prestwick, this modern and well cared for villa-style home has 2 beds, 2 baths, a den or office, and a covered porch. The Barrymoor plan features a split floor plan, sunroom, patio, and 2-car garage. There are granite countertops, stylish white cabinets, and upgraded flooring. This like-new low-maintenance home is move-in ready, has designer-selected interior features, 9-foot ceilings, and custom blinds. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with dual vanity, a walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. There is a wonderful community pool, playground, and basketball courts to enjoy in the Prestwick neighborhood. The Prestwick Country Club is just minutes away, and the Indianapolis Airport is under 30 minutes away. Listed at $299,900, contact me for info or a showing.